Hey everybody! Guys, today's the day. It is here. The amp has finally come in, so today we're gonna start working on the new sub and get the new amp installed. Let's get her started. Let's go ahead and do the unboxing of the new amp. Here it is. Oh, I cannot wait for this. Been waiting weeks for this to come in. It is finally here. Get her started, see what we can do. Oh boy. Bro, what's all this? This is like the new bubble wrap they put in their boxes now. I don't know what that really means, but okay, let's put this away. Look at that. Oh yeah. Bro, she's beautiful. Monoblock D-Class. Yeah, we're gonna see how she goes. Oh, in case you guys were wondering, I don't know if you guys can see, but this block right here, or this big wood box that you guys see, these are the old 12s that I was talking about, and I think back in the Keller's meet that they used to be in my truck. I already go ahead and got them out because I already did the install video on the sub, so she's gonna be gone here soon. We're gonna get rid of her eventually. I think I'm selling this to one of my cousins for $150, so I'll give us some more money to play with at least. I apologize if I'm not talking very well. I have the biggest headache in the world, but it's not stopping me from doing this. Dang, it's actually more heavier than I thought. Actually, it's not that bad. Oh yeah, yeah, she smells amazing. No way, it's got a bass volume. Oh, no way. That's sick, man. I wasn't expecting them to throw that in there. Shout out to NVX. I honestly was not expecting that. Thank you guys so much. Kid. Oh, what is this? What is this? I've never seen one of those cords before. It's gotta be the power cord. Alright, let's go ahead and crack her out. RCA's right there. Oh yeah. Warning, to avoid danger of suffocation, keep this and all plastic bags away from babies and children. Like a baby's gonna be installing this. And it's just standard policy, I guess. Oh, I cannot wait to get this installed. Dang. Oh, it's got 3 fuses. Wow. So we got the power cord, and we got... This is what I'm most excited about. I don't know, out of all of this little knob right here I'm excited about, because you can't access it in the front because my amp is literally in the back rear seat area. So you have to reach all the way back for it and try to turn it, and it doesn't work. But booyah, we have this. Oh, that's what this is for. This plugs into that and runs all the way back to that. Okay. Oh, this is gonna be so exciting. If I have to, I will do this at nighttime, which it pretty much already is. Works for me though. Let's go for it. Okay, so here we got our RCAs. I don't know if you guys can see that well. So as you can see, we have our RCAs. I got electrical tape and everything from the kit we recently bought for this baby. Nothing's really changed since the last video, except I did take it out and rewire the subs into a power-to-power, ground-to-ground type setup. So when I did that, it turned it into 2 ohm and it produced way more power, but I had to like turn it down way much because I didn't want to bust this amp. So now we got the 1000 watt amp. We should be able to leave this setup but rewire everything to where it looks nice, and we should be able to crank it up, and this thing should be bumping here soon. I just cannot wait. I hope I can use this harness for that. Oh boy, one thing I do not know is which is which on the RCAs. I have no idea. Does it say on there? I guess it doesn't. I guess it doesn't say it at all. I have no idea how to mark these RCAs at all. Let's just go ahead and get everything out of the packaging. Let's get the wires out of here. We got the kits and all that. Box. I don't know what to do with the box, so let's go ahead and take it back that way. Skadoosh. All right. I don't know where the instructions are. Oh yeah, that works. So unfortunately, the video camera stopped working during the install, which really sucks because the craziest thing happened while we were out there. So what happened was that we were installing the amp, or I was installing the amp, and I was just, rewiring everything like I was, and then out of nowhere, these kids come down the street, and they, the, the funniest thing happened. These kids, like a whole group of them, walked down the street like past me while I was, in the back of the truck and everything, and they, literally my neighbor, 2 houses down, they egged him. They egged the front of the house, and they just sprinted, taking off, running past me. I'm just like, what? I had my camera on my head and everything, recording the entire thing, or at least I thought it was. So the dude came up to me, saw that I witnessed it, asked if he saw anything, and I was like, yeah, the kids went that way, or so. It was pretty funny. He called the cops. The cop came out, and I talked to him and everything about what happened, and basically took up half of my night. And the other half was installing the amp and everything. But once again, I do apologize that the entire camera stopped working right when the kids popped up, and I don't know why. I don't know what happened. When I looked on here on the video editing, it showed that it took pictures instead of video. I'm not sure how that happened. It may have something to do with a setting I have on here, but I have no idea. I don't have footage of it, unfortunately. But the install of the amp, I will show you guys what finally turned out when we finished it. It looks pretty good. It turned out, it started working. It definitely sounds good. Anyway, I apologize for the short video. But hey, guys, tomorrow is TSP Slam, Sunday, May 5th. Definitely come out to the event. It's at Texas Motor Speedway. Check out my Instagram if you have not. I have information on it and everything. I will be racing the truck for the first time. It's gonna be great. There's supposed to be 5,000 vehicles plus coming out, and there's supposed to be drag racing, burnout box. They got everything out there. It's basically just a big get together at the NASCAR Raceway. So it's gonna be great, guys. Definitely come out and check out all the cars. But I will be out there. I won't be leaving till late, so if you definitely want to come out there and hang out, hit me up. I'll be there. I hope you guys are having a wonderful night, and apparently I'll be sure to do better next time in the next video. And so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. I mean, what are you doing? You want more content? You gotta subscribe, man. Anyway, you guys have a good one, and I'll catch you guys later.